What if screens disappeared completely and digital objects simply appeared in midair? No glasses, no physical display, just pure 3D light floating in space. Welcome to the world of holographic displays, where science fiction is rapidly becoming scientific reality. Holographic displays represent one of the biggest shifts in human-computer interaction. Instead of viewing information on flat screens, humans may soon interact with digital content directly inside physical space. Slide 2. What we'll explore. In this video, we'll explore the physics behind holograms, the technology powering modern holographic systems, their real-world applications, and why holography may redefine digital reality itself. Slide 3. What is a hologram? A hologram is a three-dimensional image created through the interference of light waves. Unlike a normal photograph, a hologram stores depth, perspective, and parallax information, allowing viewers to see different angles simply by moving their head. Slide 4. The science of light. To understand holograms, we first need to understand light as a wave. Light behaves not only as particles, but also as electromagnetic waves capable of interference and diffraction. Slide 5. History of holography. Holography was invented in 1947 by entity people, Dennis Gabor, a Nobel Prize in Physics. But practical holography only became possible after the invention of lasers in the 1960s. Slide 6. How holograms are created. To create a hologram, a laser beam is split into two paths. One beam illuminates the object. The second beam acts as a reference beam. When both waves meet, they create an interference pattern recorded onto a photosensitive surface. Slide 7. Interference patterns. Holography relies on constructive and destructive interference. Where light waves reinforce each other, brightness increases. Where they cancel each other, darkness forms. This microscopic interference pattern stores the full light field of the object. Slide 8. Why lasers are essential. Lasers are critical because holography requires coherent light. Laser waves remain synchronized, stable, and monochromatic, allowing precise interference patterns to form. Slide 9. Types of holograms. There are two main types of holograms. Reflection holograms can be viewed under normal light, like those on credit cards. Transmission holograms require laser illumination but provide much higher resolution. Slide 10. 2D vs 3D displays. A traditional screen only creates the illusion of depth. A holographic display reconstructs actual spatial light information, producing genuine three-dimensional viewing. Slide 11. How modern holographic projection works. Modern holographic systems compute an entire light field digitally and reconstruct it optically using advanced modulation hardware. Slide 12. Components of a holographic system. A holographic system contains four major components: the light source, the spatial light modulator, the optical engine, and the computational backend. Slide 13. Spatial light modulators. The spatial light modulator, or SLM, is the core engine of digital holography. It controls light pixel by pixel, encoding holographic fringe patterns in real time. Slide 14. Volumetric displays. Volumetric displays create actual 3D points in space visible from multiple angles without glasses. Some systems use rotating surfaces, while others trap particles using lasers. Slide 15. Holography AR/VR. Holography is merging with augmented reality and virtual reality. Devices like Entity Product, My Microsoft HoloLens IDE optics to anchor digital objects into physical space. Slide 16. Real-time 3D projection. One of the biggest challenges in holography is computation speed. Generating dynamic holographic imagery requires billions of calculations every second. Slide 17. Gesture and mid-air interaction. Future holographic systems may allow users to touch and manipulate floating digital objects using gesture tracking and ultrasonic haptic feedback. Slide 18. Holograms in smartphones. Companies like Entity Company, Apple, Samsung HIC displays for future mobile devices. Slide 19. Medical applications. In medicine, holographic displays help surgeons visualize organs, blood vessels, and tumors in full 3D before surgery. Slide 20. Education and training. Holographic learning allows students to interact with molecules, engines, ancient cities, and anatomical systems in fully immersive 3D environments. Slide 21. Holographic telepresence. Holographic telepresence may become the next evolution of video communication. Instead of flat video calls, life-size 3D people could appear inside the room. Slide 22, military and defense. Military systems use holographic battlefield visualization, mission planning, and immersive training simulations. Slide 23, entertainment and gaming. Holography is transforming entertainment. Concerts have already recreated artists like Entity Musical RT Tupac Shakur ion systems. Slide 24, the biggest engineering challenges. Holographic displays still face major obstacles. High computational requirements, brightness limitations, massive bandwidth demands, and expensive hardware remain major barriers. Slide 25, power and processing requirements. A single holographic 4K frame may require trillions of operations per second. This is why AI-driven neural holography is becoming essential. Slide 26, companies leading holography. Companies like Entity Company, Me Microsoft, O Looking Glass Factory, O Google DeepMind, Ma Magic Leap C Innovation. Slide 27, can holograms replace screens? Many researchers believe holographic displays will eventually augment screens before replacing them completely. The transition will likely begin in enterprise, medicine, defense, and high-end computing. Slide 28, the future of holography. The future may include room-scale holographic workspaces, holographic televisions, immersive city-scale projections, and spatial computing environments with no physical screens. Slide 29, smart cities with holograms. Future smart cities may use holographic navigation systems, adaptive public signage, emergency communication, and interactive urban planning. Slide 30, final takeaway. Holographic displays are not just a new display technology. They may fundamentally change how humans interact with information itself. Slide 31, final message. The future of computing is becoming spatial. Instead of looking at screens, we may soon step directly inside digital worlds made entirely of light. If you enjoyed this visual journey into holographic technology, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic technologies explained visually in 3D. Comment hologram if you think screens will eventually disappear. See you in the next video.